Hi students. Mixed conditionals. What is a mixed conditional? A mixed conditional is when the tense of the if clause is different to the tense of the result clause. What do I mean by that? If the tense of the if bit, if I receive money today, that's present. I will call you tomorrow, that's future. So a mixed conditional only says that when the tense of the if clause, the time it happened, is different to the tense of the result clause. This means that the traditional structure of first, second, zero, conditional, etc., it doesn't fit well into the concept of mixed conditionals. And to really understand mixed conditionals, we need to look at them, or look at conditionals as a whole, in a different way. We need to separate conditionals in the following way: future conditionals, present conditionals, and past conditionals. And then we can separate those into real conditionals and unreal conditionals. This is a completely different scheme to the traditional concept of 0, 1, 2, 3. And to understand and use mixed conditionals properly, it's much better to think of it in this way. So in the following videos, I will make explanations of each of these and show you a different way of thinking about conditionals. Okay, so let's go back to the mixed conditionals. If I had studied harder, I wouldn't be unemployed now. Okay, that's a mixture of the past. If the past had been different, then the present would be different. Okay, I'm mixing the tenses. If you give me some money now, present, I will tell your fortune, future. So one thing to think about as well with this, all of these first conditionals, if something happens now, then something will happen. All first conditionals like this are mixed. Okay. We can also mix the second and third conditional. If you hadn't eaten so much, you wouldn't feel like this now. Yeah? Okay, we're mixing the tenses. If you were a better swimmer, present, you wouldn't have had so many problems, so much difficulty, past. Again, a mixture of conditionals. So later on, I'm going to look at the mixed conditionals individually. But first, we need to think about our conditionals in a different framework, from 0, 1, 2, 3. We need to think about conditionals as when the clauses are happening. Future conditionals. If it rains tomorrow, I will come tomorrow. Future conditionals. Separate that into real or unreal. Present conditionals, separated into real and unreal. If I have money, I buy myself an extra drink. Present, real. If I were rich, I would live in a big house. Unreal, but present. And then the past conditionals. Unreal and real again. Okay, so a mixed conditional is when the tense of the if clause is different, when the if clause happens, is in a different time frame to the result clause. And that's a mixed conditional. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, add a comment, add this to favorites, say hi, or ask a question. Bye for now.